Hello everybody! Guess what this shiny thing I have here is? No, Christmas has not arrived yet. I'll be doing something totally new for today, meaning quilling without paper. This is because what I have here is a plastic strip, so I'll be quilling with plastic strips today instead of normal paper strips. This is my first project trying this material and I do believe I'm the first one to ever use it. So you are again a witness to a premiere in the quilling world. Since here we don't have a unit of measurement for the length of the strip anymore, the only way to have equal shapes is to measure the strips and cut them the same size according to the type of shape we intend to do. Just make sure you remember the numbers, or you could just write them down if you have a larger project to accomplish. After you measure the strip, roll it very tightly because, being plastic, it keeps its shape less well than paper and gets out of shape a lot faster. Now I'm gonna use my recycled special tool here to apply the glue I'll be using today, because the glue is also slightly different. It works for metal also, and I have to admit I tried quite a few types of glue until I found one that actually holds the plastic and binds quickly enough for my needs. As you can see, my shape quickly lost its curly design, but it's fine by me because this is exactly the design I wanted. I made another 5 of these, 2 of the same size as the first one smaller and another 2 even smaller, because this time I already have the design in my mind and I know what I want to create in order to get the earring model that I want. Now I'll make a comb shape, a looping circle. Every time I apply the glue, I need to wait a while longer in order for it to harden properly, since this one acts a little bit different than the paper glue. When you take the shape out of the comb, make sure you hold it tightly and maybe squeeze it a little, and then shape it in a bent circle teardrop. Another 5 of these and I'm ready to arrange all my shapes and glue them together into the design I have in mind, so let's see what will come out. The last step is what you expect, namely putting the earring cuffs on the upper side. I tried multiple colors of cuffs and I finally chose this one here, but I'm not entirely sure of my decision, so let me know in the comments if you would have used a different color. With the cuffs in place, that's it. Hope you like my sparkly earrings and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. I have to admit that plastic shapes have a lot of advantages, like the fact that they are stronger and they can also resist water and don't get damaged by it. They don't need to be hardened with lacquer, so they don't get ruined so easily as paper overall. But they also have disadvantages, like finding a suitable glue for it, which was not easy, then carefully applying that glue, because it has a different consistency, it is less fluid, so it is harder to work with overall. Another disadvantage is that plastic cannot be properly bent. It doesn't really keep the shape you want to bring it into, so it too is more difficult to work with than paper. But overall, the good thing is that this kind of ribbon is a lot shinier than normal paper. Actually, this one from today was also sparkly, so it gives a great effect to every shape, especially in the light. Finally, it is already cut into perfect 1/2 centimeter strips, so no need to cut it yourself like I do with my paper strips. Anyway, for everything there has to be a start, and as I told you a lot of times, you have to be inventive, creative, even a pioneer sometimes in order to accomplish great and beautiful things. Thanks for watching and take care!